Welcome to the in front of me TCL 30, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes inside the box. So sure, the first thing that's our device in our case, that's in Muse blue color. As can you see, that's look really cool, just in my opinion. So that looks so good, this color. Also here we have a lot of different paperworks, like the quick start guides, the warranty cards, the safety guides here. And here we have also the SIM jack tool and the USB-C cable. And they also have the charger brick, the original one, with all of the specs here, so you can check it later if you want. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.